Welcome to the Netiquette Next. Today our topic is how you can create an account of Twitter. So I already have searched Twitter. It has given me a lot of options. The Twitter, it's what happening on Twitter. First one is, second one is login. If someone has account already existing account on Twitter, they can log in from this point. You can click on it here and then you can log in. And signing up with Twitter, create an account. We don't have any created account, so we are gonna create one. So here is the option. I'm gonna click on it. It is asking me to create account with sign up with Google and sign up with Apple, so I'm gonna go with Google. So here it is asking me to choose my Gmail, so I'm gonna choose this one, and now I am confirming it. Now it is asking me to choose the month of my birth, which is October, and here is the date and here is the year where it has gone. So I'm gonna put on the next. Customize your experience. Track where you see Twitter content across the web. Twitter uses this idea to personalize your experience. This web browsing history will never be stored with your name, email, or phone number. Others will be able to find you by email or phone number. Okay, we can call the help center if we don't understand anything, and we can learn more about here. So I'm gonna go to the next. What is the next? It is my user. This is my username. Skip for now, allow notifications, and skip for now. What do you want to see on Twitter? Music, entertainment, sport, food, fashion, beauty. We can choose whatever we want to see. Science, career, travel, outdoor, animation, and next. Don't miss out. Here are options we can follow are the famous people and the famous other things on the Twitter. If you want to skip, then we can choose this. Follow, for example, in the next. Here Twitter has given us that what is happening on Twitter. This is my username. From this point we can do tweets. This is the home of the Twitter. These are the trending things. I have chosen the categories previously, so about that, these are the trending things, and from there we can explore. We can search here whatever we want. Here if Twitter send us any notification, it appear here. We can write a message. We can list our favorite things, the peoples. We can bookmark things. We can verify who we are. We can verify. This is about our profile, and here it was the interface of the Twitter and how we can use Twitter. From this point we can show Twitter can show more results about trending things. So that was for today. Please keep liking and watching our videos and subscribe our channel.